Breaking news. Wiper Patriotic Front leader Kalonzo Musyoka had to abruptly cut short his tour of Tharaka after rowdy youth disrupted his rally with a pro-government chants. On Thursday, August 28th, during a tour across Marimanti, Mugothima, Gashoroni and Kibonga, chants of two-term drowned out his speech, making it impossible for him to address the crowd. The disruption was so intense that he had to halt the event altogether. Kalonzo accused the Deputy President Kithure Kindiki of orchestrating the chaos, calling him the chief goon and criticizing the intolerance shown by Kenya Kwanza administration. Despite the tension, Kalonzo commended Marimanti residents for keeping calm and peaceful, no stones thrown, no insults. Still, he warned that no amount of goonism will stop the #one-term movement. Machakos Governor Ovinya Ndeti also condemned the disruption as utterly unacceptable and called for tolerance and unity in political discourse. What's your take? Political intolerance or grassroots pushback? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like if you believe in democracy, and don't forget to share.